Hi everyone, let's have a quick look at some of the new technology in Fusion 360 that allows us to import the results file from Probe WCS and Probe Geometry straight back into Fusion and get a graphical report of what's been going on. So this is the fixture plate that we're inspecting in our machine at the moment. So once that's done, we'll grab our results file and import it back into Fusion.
To get our results file from the machine, we need to enable the print results option from the toolpath. I have also ticked increment component. This is on the first probe geometry item for the setup and means that every time I run the part on the machine, I get a unique component number when I import. Let's head over to the Inspection tab, Actions, and Import Inspection Results. Here I'm going to select my results file from my computer and I get a preview of all the results to be imported. I have a summary showing that I have both geometric features as well as surface inspection items in this results file. I can also look at the Details tab and see more information on each feature, even seeing what attributes are out of tolerance. Once we import these results, we can interrogate multiple or individual features and see further details from the measurements themselves. In this case, the dimension was orange, signifying that one or more of the attributes are out of tolerance. Here we can see that the distance is correct, but the position is the one that's out of tolerance. Remember that macro results, as well as inspect surface and manual inspection results, can all be combined together to fully evaluate your components no matter the equipment you have. Once fully inspected, the results can be collated into one single inspection report and shipped with the part or kept as an archive.